The remarkable discovery by Alexander Montero, which identifies 8,620 shipwrecks off the coast of Portugal, underscores the immense potential that lies within underwater archaeology. These vessels were instrumental in transporting valuable cargo from the New World to Europe, illustrating the critical role maritime navigation played in shaping global trade. However, as we delve deeper into the recovery of treasures from these shipwrecks, we must acknowledge the significant challenges that accompany such endeavors. Legal disputes concerning ownership often emerge, given that many historical shipwrecks are safeguarded by laws intended to preserve cultural heritage. Moreover, recent discoveries, such as a ship laden with gold found in the Namibian desert, serve to demonstrate that treasures may surface unexpectedly, further enriching our understanding of maritime history. These finds provide invaluable insights into the trade routes and economic exchanges of previous eras. The shipwreck, remarkably preserved beneath layers of sand, effectively shielded its contents from decay. Archaeologists unearthed over 40 tons of cargo, which included a variety of artifacts such as cannons and navigational tools, revealing the technological advancement of maritime operations during its time. Among the treasures recovered were 1,845 copper ingots and thousands of coins, which provide tangible evidence linking the ship to a prosperous German trading company. Such artifacts not only reflect economic activity, but also enhance our comprehension of historical trade practices. Further analysis, specifically DNA testing of elephant tusks, indicated their origin from West African forests. This finding suggests the ship's involvement in the ivory trade, thereby emphasizing the complex economic activities that characterized maritime enterprises in the past. Transitioning to passenger experiences, we note that various classes of accommodations on ships during the 19th and early 20th centuries included saloon, second cabin, and steerage. Unfortunately, the majority of travelers belonged to lower economic strata and were compelled to seek passage in steerage due to financial constraints. Compounding the challenges faced by passengers, the captain often prioritized profit over safety, resulting in the transport of hazardous cargo. Such negligence ultimately culminated in a catastrophic fire that engulfed the ship, accentuating the dangers of inadequate oversight during maritime journeys. The survivors of this disaster endured harrowing conditions while stranded on the burning vessel, relying on limited rations and improvised tactics for survival. Their dire struggle underscored the chaotic circumstances that often accompany maritime catastrophes. In contrast, the Museum Flight in Seattle offers a diverse array of artifacts for space enthusiasts, while concurrently presenting historical treasures for proponents of the Oregon Trail, including sunken locomotives dating back to the 1850s. This juxtaposition of themes illustrates the rich tapestry of human exploration. Additionally, underwater archaeological zones present an abundance of history, such as the submerged pirate city of Port Royal, which can currently be explored by divers. This offers a unique opportunity to uncover and appreciate remnants from a bygone era. Interestingly, the phenomenon of underwater crop circles, attributed to male pufferfish, exemplifies nature's artistry while showcasing intriguing mating rituals in the marine ecosystem. This reflection on natural behavior underscores the intricate relationships within aquatic life. Moreover, underwater gas emissions during seismic activities can result in bubbling and boiling phenomena on the water surface, which may lead to skin irritation and contribute to the intensity of tsunamis. Understanding these gas eruptions is essential as they play a significant role in underwater landslides. Additionally, earthquake lights, a phenomenon observed globally, can appear during seismic events. These lights result from electrical discharges in the Earth's crust when under pressure, creating striking visual displays that contribute to the study of geological activity. The absence of a tsunami warning system in affected regions often leads to dire consequences. Following such tragic events, communities have the opportunity to learn and enhance their preparedness for potential future disasters. Reflecting on the human experience, some survivors recounted the chaotic moments during the sinking, highlighting how crew members and first-class passengers provided assistance to others amidst the prevailing panic. Their acts of bravery stand as a testament to the human spirit in the face of calamity. As the Titanic descended into its final moments, the passengers were engulfed in complete darkness, resulting in widespread confusion as the ship gradually sank. This lack of visibility significantly contributed to the chaos experienced during this maritime disaster. Conflicting survivor accounts regarding the ship's breakup persisted until the wreck was discovered in 1985, with many maintaining that the Titanic sank intact. This misconception underscored the disbelief surrounding the ship's presumed invincibility and the subsequent exploration of its wreck. Furthermore, injuries and fatalities linked to natural attractions highlight the critical need for caution among tourists. Historical records indicate that since 1890, at least 22 deaths have occurred as a result of hot spring-related injuries, prompting discussions on safety protocols. Additionally, while bungee jumping is recognized for its exhilarating experience, it inherently carries risks, as seen in a tourist's near-fatal encounter. Although authorities assert that the likelihood of accidents remains low, the emphasis on safety standards is paramount. Meanwhile, the ocean's mysterious sounds enthrall scientists, suggesting complex communication among marine life. These acoustic signals may reflect the social behaviors and interactions of species residing in the deep sea. Scientists are actively investigating natural vibrations emanating from distant earthquakes and underwater activities to assess their impact on structures, such as the Rainbow Bridge. This research is vital for predicting structural stability over time in response to environmental changes. Furthermore, while tsunamis in the Mediterranean are a rarity, they possess historical significance, with at least 290 incidents recorded since 1600 BCE. Such events have resulted in numerous disasters, including the catastrophic destruction of Lisbon in 1755. In response, UNESCO has implemented tsunami warning systems and training programs for coastal communities, aiming to mitigate risks associated with potential tsunami events. This proactive initiative aspires to enhance preparedness in vulnerable areas by the year 2030. Hashima Island, known for its coal mining history, was abandoned in the 1970s and now stands as a ghost town filled with crumbling structures. The eerie atmosphere of the island draws virtual tourists through platforms like Google Earth, offering a glimpse into its haunting past. Similarly, the Ward Islands in Australia feature blackout spots on maps, igniting speculation about concealed wildlife or potential glitches. This region forms part of a designated wilderness protection zone aimed at preserving marine life. Another fascinating site is Parque Aben Noel in Brazil, an abandoned amusement park that showcases eerie remnants of its former glory, with rusting attractions reclaimed by nature. This serves as a poignant reminder of aspirations left unfulfilled. The Roaring Forties, Furious 50s, and Screaming 60s are well-known regions characterized by powerful winds, which significantly influence sailing conditions. This climatic pattern plays a crucial role in determining storm intensity as it approaches the UK. Sir Ernest Shackleton's renowned expedition through the Drake Passage serves as a quintessential example of the perilous nature of these waters. His crew confronted extreme conditions, leading to a remarkable tale of survival amidst adversity. The construction of the Panama Canal revolutionized maritime travel by providing a safer alternative to navigating treacherous waters like the Drake Passage. This engineering feat has significantly reduced travel time between the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans, contributing to global commerce. This incident starkly illustrates the dangers inherent in maritime travel, particularly during emergencies, when timely decision-making is crucial for ensuring passenger safety. Prompt actions could have potentially saved numerous lives. Survivor John Morris's experience poignantly illustrates the harrowing choices individuals face during disasters, as he remained behind to ensure his family's escape. His narrative emphasizes the human element that pervades such tragedies. Moreover, investigations following the tragedy exposed negligence among the crew, particularly implicating the captain and first mate, who faced substantial criticism for their decisions during the crisis. Upholding accountability in maritime operations remains essential. This video further illustrates how societal contributions are assessed, particularly regarding the prospective future value of lives saved. Such discussions provoke ethical considerations about utilitarianism versus emotional connections in crisis situations. Each passenger offers compelling reasons for survival, yet the captain's decisions are influenced by personal feelings. This highlights the profound effect emotions can exert over rational thought, particularly in critical circumstances. Real-life scenarios, such as HR managers showing preferences for candidates with whom they share a connection, exemplify the similarity effect. This illustrates how personal biases frequently shape hiring decisions, paralleling the captain's choices during the disaster. The Three Gorges Dam in China stands as the world's largest hydroelectric power station, yet it poses environmental risks despite its impressive size. Notably, its construction has even influenced the Earth's rotation. Furthermore, aging dams, such as the Grand Coulee Dam in the USA, necessitate considerable maintenance due to their age and location within seismically active regions. This reality raises critical concerns regarding their stability. Dams serve essential functions in irrigation, providing vital water resources for 40% of global food production. Additionally, they fulfill multiple roles, including flood control and recreational opportunities for communities. Prior to its eventual discovery, several attempts were made to locate the Titanic, employing diverse technologies. Unfortunately, many of these expeditions were hampered by equipment malfunctions and adverse weather conditions. Over time, search methodologies evolved, incorporating techniques such as mowing the lawn to systematically cover expansive areas. This strategic approach ultimately led to the successful identification of the wreck site. Robert Ballard, a pivotal figure in the discovery of the Titanic, utilized advanced underwater technology in his quest. His methodology included mapping the ocean floor and examining debris fields, which provided critical clues for locating the sunken ship.